This system is literally pumping against the dead head. It is pumping against the closed valve, and that high head pump is working as hard as it can. And the only way that water's getting out is through those emitters, those little pumps every 2 feet. And that pressure is going to allow us, that uniform pressure is going to allow us to dose zone 1 at a controlled emission rate, right? We're going to have a controlled emission rate, slow, methodical emission of that wastewater out there, and then we're going to move down here and we can dose zone 2. So we'll do some periodic flushing. David will talk about the need to flush. I have compared these systems to cats, David. They lick themselves when they're working good, right? You see an old cat that stops licking itself when it gets sick and old, what does it look like? You don't want to pet that cat, do you? It starts looking sticky and nasty. Drip systems have the ability to clean themselves. We design in them flushing capabilities, right? And watch this flushing capability. So the first thing we do, let me bump back through here real quick and get to catch up. Animation does me wrong when I get wrong. So when it comes time to flush, I'm pumping at a deadhead, and all of a sudden a signal is going to come from the control panel that Paul's going to show you. Paul is going to take down this stop sign, and that pump now gets Katie bar to the door. I am ripping water through that drip line, right? I've got a high rate. What's happening when we're pushing water at a high rate through those lines? I'm cleaning. I'm scouring. But I'm doing it in such a smart way because I'm not just dumping it right back in my field dose tank where it's going to get picked up again and done again. I'm often carrying that, David, back to the head of the system, putting it on the other side of my baffle wall, right? And so I'm managing solids in a very intelligent way here. And so we go through it, and this system is going to be a time dose system. It's going to have multiple zones. I'm going to periodically dose and rest zones. We're going to pair this often with the treatment that you see today, and we're going to solve problems across the state of North Carolina by being able to make land work that wouldn't otherwise work.